It's the big bad wolf! Help me! We need to fix the roof before the wolf just got some wooden planks. Bamboo has good toughness. Hard stones can reinforce the roof. Thorns from vines can fend off enemies. Hard antlers can reinforce the roof. Rubber increases roof flexibility. Honey improves roof adhesion. Tin sheets can be used for roofing. Turtle shells can strengthen the roof. Magic lamp, can you help me build the roof?
This is a silver shovel. In exchange, I'll give you something good. This golden shovel will definitely dig up something valuable.
Hard gold nuggets can strengthen the roof. The house is upgraded. No more fear of the big bad wolf. The big bad wolf is coming. Hide quickly.
Darn it, I'll be back.